These are iPaw Chicken Tot treats. These are some premium dog treats iPaw sent us to give to our Corgi Bella. These are premium dog treats that do not have a bunch of additives, preservatives, wheat, soy, all the bad stuff that your dog does not need. They have a sort of chewy consistency to them. On the chewier side, not hard, that your dog will have any difficulty digesting them. We have a Corgi. She loves to chew everything up, so these are a bonus that she can chew on these for a while before she eats them. So these are perfect for Bella. She loves these treats.